There is a malware running on millions of computers as we speak, and this is more serious than it looks. This virus runs on the background where no one notices, and if you go and check on your task manager, soon as you open, it automatically hides it from you. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what it is, how you can get it, ways to prevent it, and how you can remove it. With this virus, someone might be using your computer and making money off you without you even knowing. This type of malware is called cryptojacking miner. It runs silently on the background of your computer, using your RAM, your CPU, and your electricity in order to mine someone else's cryptocurrency. But what makes it dangerous? So if you go and check for your CPU usage and you open your task manager, every time you open, it will show you the percentage of your CPU going down, as if you are not using it at all. And this is why it can be installed on your computer and stay for a very long time before you're noticing or not noticing at all. I have seen many people with this virus installed on their PC and they don't even know about it. If you search on the internet, you will know exactly what I am talking about. The most common name that it shows is called Norman, but also there are other names that like Jack, Fucker, Jacking, and so on. Your usage drops and nothing seems suspicious. The second you close your taskbar, it will start again. So if your computer feels slow, runs hot, your electricity bill feels higher than it should be, then you are infected. Also, even when you're idle and you're not on your PC, but your PC feels hotter, that might be a sign that you are infected. So let's figure this out now, how you can detect it and what we can do to solve your problem, because this is a very smart virus and things are getting even crazier from now on. So we have to take new measures, new steps, and care for ourselves and our computer. So here's how you catch it. Instead of using Task Manager, download this tool called Process Hacker. However, I will be putting a link in the description if you want to follow from there. This tool cannot be detected by the malware like Task Manager does. So here is how we can catch it. So basically what you want to do is to check your CPU and your RAM, how it's being used. The way it works, check on Process Hacker if anything's being used, like high CPU, high RAM. Then what you want to do is to run a Malwarebytes. The free version is enough, and do a full system scan. It will find and remove the miner. So for method 2, what you want to do is to press Windows R and then you go type reg, edit, enter. It's gonna open this. Okay. So you go into this second file, current user, and then you look for Microsoft. So you can just press button M, double click for me. So yeah, go Windows, current version, Explorer, starts up, until you find this page here. And usually what you see if you are infected, you see a different file name here with something weird that is nothing to do with the Windows startups app. So going forwards, things that you can do to avoid it, it's downloading cracked softwares, never run files from emails you do not expect. Keep your Windows Defender always updated. Always runs your antivirus. Never let your guards down when it comes to PCs and virus, because they are getting smarter and smarter.